Like cruising? Like magic? How about magical cruises? Princess Cruises and Hollywood's Magic Castle are teaming up to bring their first ever Magic Castle Conjurer's Cruise, a week-long, magic-filled experience aboard the Discovery Princess in October 2023. Magic Castle has been a renowned hub for magic for over 60 years and is the home of the Academy of Magical Arts. The Discovery Princess will be the ship hosting this magical experience, offering delicious dining options and lavish entertainment. It is slated to include close-up performances and full-stage illusion shows, surrounded by rare memorabilia and unique bars. The Princess Cruises and Magic Castle partnership is sure to bring an exclusive and magical experience to the sea. Guests can explore artifacts from the Magic Castle collection and attend cocktail parties, dinners, and brunches. Specially curated films and historical presentations will also be available. Guests can also explore wineries and other shore excursions. Magic Castle Conjurer's Cruise promises a magical time for all, but reservations are limited. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell.